Alright, what's going on, guys? Ooh, I got too many things in my hand right now. I am leaving the house right now. Gonna lay start to the day. But we're about to go fix some vacuum leaks on the 240. So let's go do that. Alright guys, finally just pulled up on the old S14. I gotta grab this is what I need right here. But also I found out the other day, if you look at some of the wiring for the MAF, it's kind of cut. And there's also this just kind of empty wrap of, I don't even know, that's not like electrical tape. I don't know what the heck it is. But it's all good. So yeah, I gotta run inside and grab a few things. And then I'm gonna grab this. And oh sweet, I already have a hose clamp. And hopefully we can get that vacuum leak fixed and possibly do some research on this MAF wiring. We've arrived, boys. It's time to go spend some money. Just got back from O'Reilly's, guys. This is what we got right here. Let me, we'll set this down here. So basically, this larger hose is going to connect onto our intake, and then that hose that I showed you guys before, this one right here, this little metal piece will be able to go into that, and then I have a hose clamp that I actually left inside the house that will go right in between them and keep that all held down, and then I have a hose clamp right here that I can hopefully extend to us. Well, maybe not. Hey, you know what? We'll figure it out. I think. Side note, guys. If y'all know what G35 Coupe Ray wheels look like, I have a set that I kind of want to get rid of. So if you guys want them, let me know. Put it in the comments. If you're legit, you can DM me on Instagram at ECH_garage. Yeah, we can figure out numbers there. So yeah, I'm gonna go get these hose clamps, put these hoses on, and we'll see how it works. So you can see we got hose securely on the intake. Crap, this is like, I had to kind of make this fit. I had to trim it up a little bit, but if you can see, there's the fitting down there with the other line attached running back to what I think is the crankcase. So that's all on, and together I'm going to take a quick sweep around the car, like the engine bay. Just make sure there's no more vacuum leaks, there's no more hoses that are not put somewhere other than this one, because this is just windshield wiper fluid. But yeah, once I just take a quick little scan around, which I'm not seeing anything right now, but I'm not looking too close because I'm also recording. But yeah, after that, I will start the car up, warm it up, and we'll see if it lets me do any like quick braps. I know I didn't explain this in my last video. It would let me rev the car slowly, like if this was, you know, my hand, like my foot on the throttle, I could like rev it like that, but I couldn't like give it a kick because it would like try to die out. It sounded like it was bogging. And maybe this vacuum leak helped, fixed it, don't know. But we're gonna find out. And if not, I'm gonna have to worry about the MAF wires, because I mean, obviously that's gotta be an issue. There's no way it's not. And then I might as well just clean the injectors anyway. I've just been lazy, I haven't felt like taking the fuel rail off. But yeah, I'm gonna do that right quick, guys. And we will, or I will, update you guys when I get it started and get it warming up. Got to move the G first, so let's take care of that. By the way, these are the Coupe Rays. I'm pretty sure they are 19 by 8.5 in the front, 18 by 9 in the back, I think. If I'm wrong, leave it in the comments. If you want it, leave it in the comments. You can DM me on Instagram, and we'll figure something out. Got to get money for the 240. Alright guys, so I was sitting here thinking to myself, how could I make this video better than like the previous couple? Actually, where am I going? So I cut the muffler out. I didn't cut it out. I just like bolted it and got the little rubber hangers off of it. So yeah, now I'm gonna start the car. I'll find something to lean the camera against so we can hear what this thing sounds like. Guys, y'all hear this thing? It's actually not ignorant at idle. But, yeah. There it is, guys. Ignorant. That's actually a lot more ignorant than I thought it was. Throat just got dry. Okay, so if y'all, I'm guaranteeing you can hear that. You could hear that time. Now that you have the exhaust, you can hear it die out. Then it revs. It actually did like a pop there. That was kind of cool. But one of the things I'm actually going to do some research on now is the MAF wiring, because that's got to be an issue. Vacuum line is just helping things run a little bit better. So yeah. Glad that got fixed. I don't know if this is going to be the end of the video or the continuation, but my phone's about to die, so I got to make sure this clip gets ended. So, yeah, I will update you guys on what we're doing in just a minute.